Everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Sorry, I'm trying to get my camera going there. It looks different than when I set it up. And anyway, we're off schedule a little bit for our live tutorial this week. My sister called at the last minute last weekend, asked if I would take my mom for a few days this week, and I said certainly. So I didn't have time to prepare ahead, and I can't really leave her during the week. So yeah, that's why we're having a live video today. And then I will post two more on Tuesday. Let's see, we'll do a Monday and Wednesday will be our two extra videos for this week, and then we'll be back on schedule for Thursday. So last night we had our Bright and Beautiful Memories of More class where we made 20 cards last night using our cards and envelopes and our Memories of More cards. I'm not going to have a video for that. It was a in-person class, and but I am selling the PDF tutorial. I'm going to post it. I posted it already in my online store, and I will post a link with today's video and the next couple of videos if you're interested in buying it. We have the PDF has pictures of each card. It also has a picture of the supplies we use for each card, and then any extra supplies, the measurements for the card stock and that type of thing. There were a few cards left over after we made our 20 cards, so we did 2 of 10 different designs. And so with the extra cards, that's what I'm going to show you this week. So we had just a few cards left over. We used those. This is the ribbon that we used, this gorgeous, 3-pack. And then we used the 4-pack. Now this is, I've cut some off for class. It's the Tencel Gems 4-pack. We use these embellishments. So I'm going to do 2 cards today, 2 on Monday and 2 on Wednesday. So there's enough supplies to do 2 of each of these cards. So let's get to our first card. And because we used all our big cards, we have to cut our card bases. So we're just using a Night of Navy card base, standard half sheet. I have a piece of the Bubble Bath cardstock. And I will put the supplies and measurements on my blog as well with a link. And then this is one of the cards that I'm using. On the back it has this little kind of dotted grid and some banners, but on the front it's got this adorable balloon and let's party sentiment. So I love this little card. The cards in this kit were really good. Really, really good. Okay, so we're just going to adhere this to the front. These cards are so great because they make the best, fastest cards. We don't always have a lot of time, and maybe you need a whole bunch of cards. These are great for this. So I'm putting a piece of white on the inside because it is a dark card base. And then I have 2 balloons punched out. I have one of these, and I cut these out of this card. It's got Fun Times, Good Friends, Great Memories, but on the other side it has these stars. So I punched that with, not punched it, I die cut it. And I used the Beautiful Balloons bundle, which has stamps and then all these great dies. So I cut it with one of these dies, and then I cut a small balloon. There's a little balloon right there with lemon lime twist cardstock. And then I'm going to take some Night of Navy ink, and I'm just using this stamp that says Yay You. And I'm going to see if I can fit this right on my balloon. It's just a little itty bitty one. Okay, that fits on there. All right, I think I'll leave that open. We'll do a little bit of stamping on the inside. Not sure that's on there straight. Let's adjust that, that's better. Okay, we're gonna pop up these 2 balloons. Well, got a big chunk of adhesive there. I'm going to bring this one kind of over off of my centerpiece. And then we'll put this one here. Now, if you wanted, you could add a little string to these balloons. I didn't, because the goal of this class is to create pretty quick, simple, but adorable cards. And then I'm going to bring in, I've got a pack of mangled gems. How many of you have gems that look like this, that are just a mangled mess of gems? This is what happens sometimes. So I'm just using too big and too small. You can use however many you want. And that is the front. Isn't that adorable? It's so quick. I mean, how quick and easy was that? So I'm just gonna stamp a quick happy birthday on the inside. Should have done this before I glued it, but you know, I'm living dangerously. And then I'm gonna stamp a little balloon right here, and then I'm gonna stamp another one right there. Cute! Oh my gosh, so quick and easy. Okay, the next one's even quicker. You're gonna be amazed. Okay, so that is card number 1. Now our next card, we're going to use the Bubble Bath. I always have to think before I say it because I want to call it bubble gum. The Bubble Bath cardstock. And I have a piece of Pretty Peacock. And then I have this card. It says, "You did it." And on the back, it's journaling. These are memories and more, so they're designed for either card making or for memory keeping. And since I wasn't doing memory keeping, I chose to use the other one. So I am going to adhere this on. Right in the middle. Have a little bigger border around that one. Then I die cut using the Stylish Shapes dies. I die cut a stitch circle. And I'm gonna glue it on top of the "You Did It," because I want a birthday card and not a congratulations card. So I'm going to take some of our Bubble Bath ribbon. I'm gonna tie this around in a bow. This ribbon, okay, it's not currently orderable, but it should be back in stock soon. So cute. It ties good bows. It's got a little silver detail on the edges, and it comes in 3 colors. I love this stuff. It's so popular, and that's why it's currently out of stock, but they're working on getting it resupplied. And it comes in the pink, the lemon lolly, and the Azure Afternoon colors. Okay, let's scooch that right over to the edge because we're going to glue this down right in the middle. Okay. And then we are going to grab our sticker sheets. So it comes with two sets of sticker sheets, and there are 2 designs. There's 2 pages of each design. And I've used most of them, but what I'm going to use is this one right here, Party Time. And you want to, when you're using these, you want to bend the sheet to get the sticker to pop up. If you try to pick it up, it will the paper on top will start to come off instead of the whole sticker. Don't know why that's happening, but it is. So I'm using this Party Time sticker because it's the same pattern. It's a little smaller, and then once you get to the card part, it's bigger, which I think is kind of a cool effect. Now, I'm going to pop this up, so what I'm doing, because I don't want to have weird random stickiness when I ship it or mail it, I'm doing the whole back with my embossing buddy, so it's not sticky anymore. Now it's just like a little die cut card piece, and then I can use my dimensionals. I like on the top and the bottom, so it sticks on the cardstock and not the ribbon. Okay, have I peeled? No, it's not peeled. And then we're gonna pop this up right in the middle. Isn't that adorable and so easy? I love that. You could add some gems. I'm not even gonna put gems on here because it's got a little bit of silver bling, so it doesn't really need the gems. Now on the inside, I think I'm going to do, I think it's time for celebration, and I'm going to use, I was gonna use Pretty Peacock, but I see I don't have my Pretty Peacock ink here, so it's probably where it is. It's in my Christmas and August projects. What other class we have? Let's just use Night of Navy. Oh, you know what, let's use Shaded Spruce. It's still green. By the time I stamp it on the pink, you won't even think twice when you look at it. Yeah, that goes pretty well. All right, it's party time. This calls for celebration. That's it, I'm done. How easy is that? Aren't those cute? Let's crease that one more time. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna post links to the blog with the descriptions, with the measurements below. And I'll also put a link to the shop if you want to purchase the PDF for the card class to make 20 cards. They're very easy cards. It goes very quickly. And check back on Monday. We're going to have another video with 2 more cards using the extra supplies. And yeah, that's great. And don't forget, there's only a couple more days to use the to earn bonus days coupons. So if you were to buy all the supplies and the bundle, you'd probably earn at least 1 bonus day coupon, maybe even more. So make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on the future videos, and I will see you all on Monday. Thank you. Bye-bye.